Hello. Right now we're going to learn how to get to your weekly topics so that you know what to do every week. On the left side of your Blackboard menu, you will find a link called Weekly Topics. Click on it. It takes you to a listing of all the different topics for the semester. You'll notice that each topic has a title. This is actually also linked to the ePortfolio course page that you need to go to eventually. There is a set of dates here that cover the week that you'll be working on this, and then also a to-do list that tells you or reminds you, let's say, of those things that are due this week. So number one in this case is viewing your lecture and reading the source readings. Then you also have reading the primary source analysis and doing that exercise, that assignment. And then number three, completing your reflective essay, which is actually going to be completed on your ePortfolio. That's why there's no link here, because that is on your ePortfolio. These other links, though, do take us to the course website, which is right here. You have the topic title. You can scroll down and see an introductory paragraph on what we're dealing with this week. You also have a listing of the different steps that you have to follow to complete this week's assignments. You have due dates that are specified here. It tells you there are two different due dates. You have an online lecture that is on YouTube, but it's linked through this ePortfolio. You then also have online sources that you're going to be reading. You also have not only the link. If I click on this, it takes us to the actual source. But I can go back to the page and let you know that over here you have a description of the context of this document. If you look down here, there's another document, same thing. Context for the document lets you know who wrote it and why they wrote it. Every week you'll have a primary source analysis to deal with, so it'll be stated here. It'll be laid out for you here. You have a link to it directly here. You also have a description here of the context from which this document comes from. In other words, what were the intentions of the author in writing it. Last thing you'll have on this weekly page is the reflective essay question. It's right here. This is also the same question that you will find on your ePortfolio, the place where you will actually contribute the answer to this question. Down at the very bottom, you'll have, once again, a reminder of the due dates. So that's how every week works. If you have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to reach out to me by email.